Welcome back to another pizza build. So if you're not familiar with what goes on here, we're not going to show you how to make the pizza dough or the sauce. We've done that before. The links will pop up at the end, the videos will pop up at the end, and they're in the text below. So we're just going to build the pizza. Today we're going to make a sausage and onion pizza, absolutely delicious. So let's get the pizza dough together and then we can build this. Okay, so you just saw me get that together. Now if you use my recipe, you're going to get two of these, two 12-inch size, fairly thin pizzas. We're going to go with our sauce. 1, 2, 3, and just a little bit more. And again, this sauce, I'll leave this recipe that will pop up at the end. This is a no-cook, really simple pizza sauce. Just get that nice little spread out. I find about 3 of these spoons enough for a 12-incher. I've got some cheese here. I've got some grated mozzarella. So I'm going to get that on now. And by the way, get your oven on preheated, full blast. Just get it as high as you can. That's lovely, isn't it? I've got some onion that I've cut into rings here. I'm not going to be shy with the onion either. Using red onion, you could use a different colour if you want. That's looking fantastic. Plenty of onion. Then we're going to go with our sausage. You can use any type of sausage you want. I've got this pork sausage I'm using here, which I think works really well. I mean, if you want, you could use some other sort of cold cut if you wanted, some chorizo or something, but I'm going to go for this type of sausage. Which looks fantastic. Again, not being shy with the sausage. We're loading this one right up. Got one more bit there. Okay, I'm going to go now with a few black olives. These are a beautiful Kalamata, my favourite olive. A little bit of pickled jalapeno. Give it a little bit of spice. Nothing drastic, but you know, a nice little flavour. Dried oregano, or oregano, as many of my friends in the States call it. That's going to go in my oven for about 6 minutes or so. It's going to be delicious. And there you go, that was 6 minutes in my oven. That looks absolutely delicious. A sausage fest. Oh, hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. About now, the pizza dough recipe will be popping up, as well as the pizza sauce. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.